Ready to transform your home into a sparkling, chemical-free sanctuary? Imagine cleaning with sprays that are tough on germs but gentle for your family and pets. Today, I'll show you how to make natural disinfectant sprays using simple, affordable ingredients you probably already have. We'll cover 3 easy recipes, each designed for a specific cleaning task. You'll learn not just how to make them, but why they work and when to use each one for maximum impact. Forget complicated formulas, everything you need is within reach. By the end, you'll be empowered to ditch store-bought cleaners for good. Let's unlock the secrets to a naturally pristine home, one simple spray at a time. Commercial disinfectants often contain harsh chemicals like quats and bleach, which can irritate your skin and lungs. Natural disinfectants like isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and vinegar kill germs without toxic residue. Alcohol denatures proteins in germs. Hydrogen peroxide oxidizes cell walls. Both leave behind harmless byproducts. Making your own cleaners is cost-effective and reduces plastic waste. Invest in a few reusable spray bottles and refill them with homemade solutions. The core ingredients are inexpensive and last for dozens of batches. Natural doesn't mean ineffective. When used correctly, these sprays are true powerhouses. The key is using the right concentrations and methods. Clean smarter, not harder. With the power of nature. Let's dive into the recipes. In our daily lives, we constantly interact with a variety of surfaces. Think about it. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, your hands are touching countless objects. For high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, which are veritable germ magnets, to light switches, those often overlooked hotspots, and even remotes, which are passed around and handled frequently, a 70% alcohol spray is my go-to for keeping things clean and sanitary. Here's what you need to create your own powerful disinfectant spray. It's surprisingly easy and cost-effective to make at home. You'll need 1 cup of 90 to 99% isopropyl alcohol. This high concentration is crucial for its effectiveness as a disinfectant. Next, add 1/3 cup of water. The water helps to dilute the alcohol to the optimal 70% concentration, which is more effective at killing germs than higher concentrations. Finally, include 15 drops of lemon essential oil. This not only adds a pleasant scent but also provides additional antimicrobial properties. It's important to use a dark spray bottle to protect the alcohol from sunlight, which can degrade its effectiveness over time. Amber or cobalt blue bottles are ideal. Carefully pour in the alcohol, making sure not to spill any. Then, add the water, followed by the lemon essential oil, drop by drop. Secure the spray nozzle, shake the bottle well to combine all the ingredients thoroughly, and don't forget to label the bottle clearly so you know what it is. The 70% alcohol solution is ideal because it stays on surfaces longer than higher concentrations, allowing it more time to work. This extended contact time is key to effectively killing germs and bacteria. Spray the solution liberally on hard, non-porous surfaces, such as countertops, sinks, and stainless steel appliances. After spraying, let the solution sit for at least 1 minute or even longer if possible, before wiping it away with a clean cloth. This dwell time is crucial for proper disinfection. However, be cautious and avoid using this spray on painted or varnished wood surfaces, as the alcohol can damage the finish. This spray is not only fast and effective at disinfecting, but it also leaves no unsightly residue behind, leaving your surfaces clean and shiny. Incorporate this spray into your daily cleaning routine for added peace of mind and a healthier home environment. It's a simple, safe, and powerful way to protect yourself and your family from harmful germs and bacteria. Your high-touch hero is ready to tackle those germs and keep your home sparkling clean. Hydrogen peroxide. It's a common household item, often found tucked away in medicine cabinets or under the kitchen sink. But did you know that hydrogen peroxide, especially in a diluted form, is a gentle yet powerful disinfectant? It's a fantastic alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. This makes it perfect for food contact surfaces where you want to avoid any lingering toxic residues. Think about your cutting boards, countertops, and even the inside of your refrigerator. To create your own hydrogen peroxide disinfectant spray, you'll need, first, grab 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is the standard concentration you'll find at most drugstores. Next, you'll need 1 cup of distilled water. Using distilled water helps to prevent mineral buildup in your spray bottle and ensures the solution remains pure. Finally, add 20 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil not only adds a pleasant scent, but also boosts the disinfectant properties of the spray. It's crucial to use an opaque spray bottle. This is to protect the peroxide from light, which can cause it to degrade and lose its effectiveness over time. A dark bottle will help maintain its potency. Now carefully combine the hydrogen peroxide, distilled water and tea tree oil into your opaque spray bottle. A small funnel can be helpful to avoid spills. Once all the ingredients are in the bottle, gently swirl it to ensure they are thoroughly mixed. Avoid shaking vigorously, as this can create excessive bubbles. It's very important to label the bottle clearly with the contents and date. This will prevent any confusion and ensure that everyone in your household knows what it is. This disinfectant spray is incredibly versatile. Use it on cutting boards after preparing food. It's also great for wiping down countertops, especially after handling raw meat or poultry. Don't forget about fridge interiors, where spills and food residue can easily accumulate. And it's a safe and effective way to disinfect kids' toys, giving you peace of mind. After spraying, let it sit and bubble for at least 1 minute. This allows the hydrogen peroxide to work its magic and kill germs. For tough jobs or heavily soiled surfaces, let it sit for up to 5 minutes to ensure thorough disinfection. Finally, wipe the surface clean with a damp cloth. A microfiber cloth works best for removing any residue. One of the best things about this spray is that it breaks down into water and oxygen, which are both harmless. This means it leaves no toxic residue behind, making it safe for your family and pets. It's a safe, eco-friendly, and effective way to keep your home clean and healthy. Use it for deep sanitization throughout your home without worrying about the harmful effects of harsh chemicals. Your gentle giant, the hydrogen peroxide disinfectant spray, is now ready for action, providing a natural and effective cleaning solution. So go ahead and clean with confidence, knowing you're using a safe and powerful disinfectant. Meet your everyday all-star, the unsung hero of a sparkling clean home. It's a vinegar and essential oil cleaner, your go-to solution for general cleaning tasks around the house. This simple yet powerful concoction can tackle a multitude of messes. While not a full disinfectant in the same league as bleach or specialized products, vinegar is brilliant for cutting grease, dissolving stubborn mineral deposits that build up around faucets and shower heads, and effectively eliminating unpleasant odors that linger in the air or on surfaces. It's a natural deodorizer. To make your own, you'll need 1 cup of good old white vinegar. The acidity is what makes it so effective. 1 cup of distilled water. Using distilled water helps prevent mineral buildup in your spray bottle and on the surfaces you clean. And finally, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, not only for its lovely fragrance but also for its potential antibacterial properties. It's important to use a glass spray bottle because essential oils can degrade plastic over time, potentially leaching harmful chemicals into your cleaner. Now, mix the vinegar and water directly into your glass spray bottle. Add the essential oil and give it a good shake to ensure everything is properly combined. Don't forget to label it clearly as all-purpose vinegar cleaner to avoid any confusion. This cleaner is fantastic to use on glass, leaving your mirrors sparkling, shining up stainless steel appliances, brightening up tiles in your bathroom or kitchen, and safely cleaning laminate surfaces throughout your home. Simply spray the surface and wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth for a beautiful streak-free shine. However, it's best to avoid using this cleaner on natural stone surfaces like granite or marble, as the acidity can damage them. Feel free to experiment with other essential oils to create different scents that suit your preferences. Lemon, tea tree, or eucalyptus are all great alternatives. This homemade spray is not only safe for your family and pets, but it's also incredibly effective and leaves behind a wonderfully fresh aroma. Incorporate it into your daily cleaning routine and make it your go-to cleaning companion. Embrace the power of natural cleaning and enjoy a sparkling, naturally clean home. With 3 natural sprays, knowing when to use each is key. The 70% alcohol spray is best for high-touch, non-porous surfaces. Think doorknobs, switches, and remotes. Use it daily for quick, targeted disinfection. The hydrogen peroxide spray is ideal for food prep areas, cutting boards, trash cans, and mildew-prone spots. It's safe for surfaces that need deep sanitization. The vinegar and essential oil cleaner is your go-to for everyday cleaning. Windows, mirrors, stainless steel, and countertops, except natural stone. Each spray has a specialty. Use them strategically for best results. Cleaning becomes easier, safer, and more effective. Choose the right spray for the job. Enjoy a healthier, cleaner home. For stubborn grime, try this pro tip: the 1-2 punch. Never mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide in the same bottle. It creates a harmful compound. Instead, spray vinegar cleaner on the surface and let it sit for a minute. Then spray hydrogen peroxide directly on top. Watch the fizzing reaction. It lifts dirt and sanitizes. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then scrub and rinse. This method is perfect for sinks, tubs, and grout. It's safe, powerful, and chemical-free. Tackle tough messes with confidence.